Hello, hello. It is now the time that we've all been waiting for, and that is the beginning of the multiple source essay. We've now completed the course exercises, including chapter work and the single source essay, and now it's time to move on to your project. So you already have, in the first week of school, chosen your topic. So today is a good day to take a look at that topic and see if that's the topic you still want to keep working with. Remember, that was this document that includes all 300 topics from which you can choose. If you decide to change your mind at this point, then you want to go back to the discussion board where you locked your topic, scroll through, and make sure that your new topic has not already been selected. If you wanted to change your mind, this is a good time to do that. The next thing to do is to go through and look at the verification of due dates and make a note of all the due dates that are associated with this assignment. There's a proposal, an annotated bibliography, discussion boards, and a final essay, all due at different stages of the process. So one of the first things to do this week is to breeze on over to the discussion boards, and as you know, you can connect to that through the left menu bar. And you want to scroll down and double check your topic lock, and then it's time to scroll down to the discussion board for topics. Remember, this course only has a few discussion boards, and each one of them are very important. So it's a good idea to go on in there and start a thread and discuss the topic that you've selected and get some feedback from other people and generate some conversation. You can see that there are some posts that are required for this for the school, but this is a wonderful resource for you to use throughout the process of writing this complicated project. Below that, you will find a tutorial that explains how to write an abstract, which is due for this assignment, and the posts that are due as well. There's a big discussion board that happens from weeks 6 through 9 that has to do with this abstract, and the instructions are there. And then there's another discussion board that takes place in week 8 through 10 that has to do with the actual outline that you create for your essay. And then in the left menu bar, under Course Assignments, you'll want to scroll down to the folders that contain information about the multiple source essay. Throughout this process, you are responsible for studying all of this information, and it's designed to accommodate you, and for those that like to learn visually through tutorials, there are lots of tutorials in there. There's written information, and of course you have your textbook as well for those of you who like to learn using textbook resources. Let's just look at this topic proposal real quick. So I just clicked on topic proposal, and I've already locked the topic, and you'll find some tutorials in here on how to narrow your broad topic. And you can study that along with your textbook information. Then you'll find the PDF that you will follow to create your proposal. And below that is the rubric for grading those proposals. And always we know to look for the magic words "submit here" to complete the final PDF for that proposal. There is also information in the Annotated Bibliography tab, Final Multiple Source Essay tab, and information about those discussion boards. This is a big project. You have lots of time to work on it. I'm available should you need to contact me by email or by phone to talk about your topic and talk things over and see if we can get your broad topic narrowed down to a focused thesis. I'm happy to help. I'm excited that we're at this part of the journey, and I want this to be enjoyable and for you to enjoy also working with your fellow students. That concludes this Welcome to the Multiple Source Essay tutorial.